Maya as well. Palakpakan naman po natin. That's contestant number 12. Let us now proceed to our next contestant. Please help me welcome contestant number 13, Fluffy. Oops, ayan. And kasama naman po ni Fluffy ay ang kanyang handler na si Mr. Marvin Santos. Fluffy is a 2-year-old Pomeranian with a fluffy fur and a big personality. Fluffy is friendly, playful, and loves attention. He enjoys walking and being close to his people. Again, that's contestant number 13, Fluffy. Ayun. Ayan. Ang ganda naman ang outfit ni Fluffy.
Pasko na! Sino magtira?